Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. Guys, in this tutorial I will tell you how to remove Gmail account from Android mobile. In this example I am using Mi Note 5 Pro. So here is the screen. So I'm tapping on this folder. So we will have this Gmail icon. To tap once on this Gmail icon and we will see the inbox here. So you have to go on the upper right corner and tap here on your profile icon. So a pop-up box will appear. So here we have option manage account on this device. We need to tap once. Okay, once you tap you will see this screen. Here we have a Google icon, so we have to tap once. Okay, now we will have this page. Here we have some details about the contacts, Gmail, and at what time it is synced. Okay, and in the bottom we have this more button, so we have to tap once on it, and then you will see a drop-up menu which has a remove account option. So tap once on it, and this pop-up will ask you that are you sure to delete this, because this will delete your contacts, sync contacts and other data. Okay, so are you sure? Tap OK, and you will be redirected to this screen, and here you can see no account is added, and you will be back on the Gmail home. And right now you can see at this screen there is a no Gmail account. If you want to make sure, so just tap here, take me to Gmail. Okay, so this pop-up box will appear and it will ask please add at least one email address. That means there is a no Gmail account right now in your device. So you guys have successfully removed the Gmail account from your Android device. I hope you guys found this video useful, so please like, share and subscribe my channel and keep watching Cool IT Help.